In today's video, I'll be showing you a simple way that you can make a lot of money from Google. Right now, I'll teach you how you can make $50 up to $200 in just minutes by using Google. I know that a lot of you guys use Google every single day, but did you know you can make a lot of money simply by using it? Now I know that a lot of those big guys out there are gonna hate me for doing this video because they are making a killing on this website and they don't want other people to know about this secret. But hey, I'm gonna show you all the tricks and all the secrets to making money online, and I just discovered this method and I must share this with you because I want to help you make money and offer you value on my channel. And this is not some sales video, some pitch video. They're gonna push you to buy some products and stuff like that. It's just pure value on my channel. So we're gonna dive into this, and I want you to pay really close attention to this video and watch every single second because it's gonna be jam-packed with a lot of info and you don't want to miss out on any key information. So if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click on subscribe button right now, and also hit the notification bell. Alright, let's get into this. First off, I want you to go to a website called askwonder.com. I'll leave a link down in the video description as well, and this is not some sponsorship video, this is not some affiliate video. I'm not gonna get paid or receive any compensation for doing this. So when you go on to this website, basically what this company is offering you and me is that we can become researchers on this website. This company has been here for years and they'll be working with some other big companies like KPMG, General Electric, and Bloomberg. You'd know that they're legit. I'll show you all the details on how you can do this. I'll show you one way to do this and also a not so smart way to do this. This is how those people are making a killing on this website every 10 minutes. They're making hundreds of dollars, and I'll show you all the tricks on how to do that in just less than 10 minutes of this video. So stay tuned for that. So we go on here, we can find different jobs, different research questions, meaning there are a lot of people out there who are lazy. They want to know certain answers for certain questions. For example, how long is the journey going from point A to point B? How many days do I have to lose 20 pounds as a normal average 30 years old? You had a kingdom female. There are a lot of questions that people want to ask, but they are lazy to go out there and find the answers for themselves. So this is the opportunity that we want, and I can jump on here and answer those questions, and we can make hundreds and hundreds of dollars simply by using Google. I'll show you how to do that. So I'll show you 4 simple steps to begin earning money on this website, but first I'll teach you how to sign up. You go on and click on this, become a researcher on the top right corner, click on this, and you'll land on this page right here. You're gonna fill in your details, fill in your name, your address, your password, and you're gonna select your city, the city where you live in. There are a lot of opportunities for you because they accept different countries. Click on this, I'm not a robot, and click on I agree to the terms and conditions as though the application, right? This is really simple. It takes about 20 seconds to do this. The next step, when you scroll down below, they show you the 4 simple steps to begin earning money on askwonder.com. First off, you have to visit the research dashboard. When you're ready to start working, after you sign up for your free account, you're going to go on to the back office and you'll find different jobs, different research topics that you can pick on, and I'll show you how you can do this with smart tactics. We're gonna pick a few lucrative and profitable questions, and those with these tactics where we can earn up to 3 times by selecting the right topics to do so, and stay tuned for that. And also, the second step is, once you find different research projects to do, they can assign you your request to work already. You could apply for that and assign the job to you. Once you got a job, you're gonna go out there to research all the answers, and it could collect all the data, all the information, and synthesize your finding into a short answer in sort of formats, which I'll show you later on this as well. And after that, you can submit your work and celebrate your earnings, and that is it. 4 simple steps. I'll show you a live demonstration on how to do this, and also some tips and tricks out there where I can help you to earn up to 3 times. Not a lot of people know about this opportunity, and also I would like to say that none of them know about this trick. So let me show you some examples of the research topic that you might get on this company. For example, how many pints of Guinness are consumed on St. Patrick's Day in New York City? Now you might be thinking, how would I know, right? Well, you go on Google and you paste this question and just enter it. That's simple. The answer to this is that an average of 13 million pints of Guinness are served on St. Patrick's Day. These are the answers that people put on Ask Wonder. So let me show you. When you go down below, you're going to see tons and tons of different blog posts at different answers for this one. And you're going to collect that information. You're going to go on to the first top 10 websites. You're going to look for the answer, you copy, and then you could go on to Google. And again, you type on Google Docs. Okay, you can create, a Google account and get these Google Docs. You click on these, go to Google Doc. Click on this button and you'll land on this page. Click on this, plus you're gonna get a blank page, okay? And after that, you'll work on here and collect all the data sent, all the information, and put it into this short paragraph, and you can submit them and earn way up to $20, $50, $100, or even $200 just by doing that. I'll show you one example. When you go on and click on this, view, click on these, view, and they show you some examples and templates for the answers. So let's look into this. Some of the insights they show, some short answers right here, and this is the finding. Our research concluded that during the St. Patrick's Day 2019 blah blah blah, the short answers is that they already look from Google. Nobody else can find these answers by themselves. Nobody can know this answer, but all of them. What they do is that they go onto Google and search this information. The answer is all over the place on different platforms, different websites, and those few that are just lazy to do all the job. But if you want to earn big money, you have to put in the work. I'm not the kind of guy that would just like to tell you to push a few buttons without doing any stuff and the money falling in, right? That's not true. So if you want to make big money, you gotta put in the work. But a stupidly simple that anyone can do this from anywhere in the world. No college degree, no qualification, no special excuses. If I can do it, you can do it as well. Now take a look at the answers. Methodology. They showed up with the first step of doing this. First, we explore different research platforms that conduct annual St. Patrick's Day surveys. He basically talks about what is this stack. You can just go to Google and type in certain keywords. For example, the number of pints. Okay, you typed it in, you got those answers. You're gonna put all your methodology in inside this, okay? And after, as you can see, the background, right? The answer is really short, as you can see, just about 200 words, 200 to 300 words. So that is it. This article right here, this short answer, that basically he got from 5 to 10 different sources. We're going to Google. You get 10 different websites and it combines all this uncertainty, arrange them on a Google Doc. You combine them and arrange them and add it a little bit and make it into a short paragraph just like this format. And they're gonna send you money by doing that. It's really simple, guys. Anyone can do this, so we can jump on this opportunity right now. But again, I promised you one hack to do this nobody's talking about, because if you are smart people, you are lazy people, will always find a solution to do that, right? Nobody's gonna give a solution by himself, but they use these cool techniques. Go on to microworkers.com. This time, you're gonna be somebody who's gonna be hiring people. You're gonna be the employer. You go under, you can find different people to do different small tasks in searching for information, gathering data, finding different descriptions of the website, stuff like that. And all you have to do is just pay those people 10 cents, 30 cents, 20 cents of doing that. And what you can do is that you can go on to askwonder.com and get as much jobs as possible. And you can go on and delegate the job to these people from third world countries. Now, I'm sorry to say this, but the thing is that a lot of people in third world countries want to make a living on this website, and I don't mind giving them 30 cents, 50 cents to do just that. So you can leverage these methods, come on here, hire people to do that, and sell those information to askwonder.com, and you can make a killing. I don't want to disclose these guys' names. Those that know these methods are leveraging it right now and making hundreds and hundreds of dollars every single day. And they don't want people to know about these matters, but I have been exposing it to you right here, always showing some real value on my channel. This method is making a killing right now. So I still got one trick. Again, you're gonna gather a lot of questions and research questions in similar niches, like similar categories. They talk about width, they talk about food, they talk about equipment, and they could gather them into the same categories and you can take them all at once. So when you go on to research, the information is much easier, and that's going to save you so much time And you can leverage this method as well on Microworkers and go around getting people to do all the job for you for a few cents, and you're gonna flip it and make hundreds of dollars. So with that said, this is the cool method that I wanted to share. I hope that you did get some sort of value from me, and like I said, this is not some sales, this is not some pitch video. So if you did like this, be sure to go down there and click on the like button, share this with your friends, and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you're gonna have more information about these so I can help you out to make money. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.